In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags to your website in WordPress. Tags are an essential tool for organizing your content, making it easier for both your visitors and search engines to understand how your posts are connected. Whether you're running a blog, an online shop, or a portfolio site, using tags properly can improve navigation and even boost your search engine optimization. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create and manage tags in WordPress to enhance your website's structure and user experience. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description to get started. All right, let's dive in. First, open your browser and navigate to your WordPress site. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login option. This will take you to the login page where you can access your account. Instead of entering a username and password, select the Continue with Google option. This method not only saves you the trouble of remembering another password, but also ensures a faster and more secure login experience. Now, if you're signed into multiple Google accounts, WordPress will prompt you to choose the one link to your site. Just click on the correct account and you'll be logged in. Once you've logged in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. This is the main hub for managing your site. From here, locate the navigation area on the left-hand side of the screen. Scroll through the menu and click on the Posts option. This section is where all your existing blog posts are stored and where you can create new ones. Next, under the Posts section, click on Tags. This will take you to the Tags Management page, where you can create, edit, and organize your tags. Now it's time to add a new tag. In the field labeled Tag Name, enter the name of the tag you want to create. When choosing a tag name, aim for something clear, concise, and descriptive. This helps keep your content organized and ensures your visitors can easily understand the purpose of the tag. For example, if you're running a food blog, a tag like Quick Recipes would be both specific and helpful. After naming your tag, move on to the description field. Here, you can add more context about the tag. Think of this as a way to explain what kind of posts this tag applies to. Including a description can also help search engines index your content better, which might improve your site's visibility. For instance, using the same Quick Recipes example, you could write something like, "This tag includes recipes that take 30 minutes or less to prepare." Once you've filled out both the name and description fields, it's time to save your changes. Click the Add Tag button, and just like that, your new tag is ready to use. You'll see it appear in the list of tags below, and you can now apply it to your posts whenever you're creating or updating content. And there you have it. Today, we covered how to log in to your WordPress site, navigate to the Tags section, and create new tags with names and descriptions. Tags are an excellent way to keep your content organized and improve your site's usability for visitors and search engines alike. If you have any questions or tips about using WordPress tags, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.